Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall ActiveCampaign site tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall ActiveCampaign site tracking, begin by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the settings menu in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Click on the tracking option from the list of available settings. Locate the site tracking section within the tracking settings. Here, you will find an option to disable site tracking. Toggle the switch to turn off site tracking. After disabling, scroll down to find the JavaScript code snippet that was added to your website for tracking. Review and copy this code as a reference for later. Next, open your website's content management system or file manager. Access the HTML code of your site, specifically the pages where the tracking code was installed. Search for the ActiveCampaign tracking code snippet that you identified earlier. Once found, you can safely delete the entire code snippet from your website. After removing the code, save the changes to your website. Now, go back to your ActiveCampaign account. Return to the tracking settings and confirm that site tracking is turned off. It's a good idea to clear your website's cache if you have a caching system in place. Test your website to ensure that the tracking has been successfully uninstalled. Monitor your ActiveCampaign account for any remaining site activity. If you notice any tracking data still appearing, review the site's code again for any lingering snippets. Once you confirm that all tracking scripts have been removed, your uninstall process is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.